look for situations where the assumptions that everyone's making don't apply. There are some assumptions in options trading that are so well entrenched that people have almost forgotten that they're assumptions in the first place. So look for anomalous situations, unusual times. So what happens on a Monday that doesn't happen on a Friday? What happens at the weekends? What happens overnight compared to the day? What happens around market holidays? These are all the sort of questions that are legitimate to ask and can be tested once you've asked them. That's not back testing. That's asking, is my idea different? This, by the way, is very, very easy to apply to zero DTE options. Standard option pricing theory assumes that volatility is roughly constant over the life of the option. That's clearly not true for zero DTE options. Option volatility has very clear patterns throughout the day, which is all I'll say about that right now. You look for unusual events. So elections, FOMC meetings, stock earnings, economic releases. What happens around these that doesn't happen on average? And there are very good trades around all of these effects. You can also look for extreme levels in the market. So oftentimes the market's pretty efficient. The volatility premium will be there, but there might not be any other edge. But when things go crazy, there might be situations where there is edge. So whenever volatility or correlations, volatility of volatility, skewness, whenever they're extreme, either low or high, it's worth looking, is there anything there? Extreme does mean you're throwing away a lot of data. So you're not going to get really high statistical significance, and that's okay. Because as a trader, you don't want perfect provability. If you've got a t-stat of 2, it's going to be reasonably well known at that point, and that's when it's going to start not working. As a trader, you want to become comfortable in that I'm pretty sure it's true, but I can't prove it level. And so these are the sort of things that might lead you there.